Wow, ang ganda guys. It's so kanang kuwan. Meron na ako magtagalog at wow, it's bubbly. First is this. Ang laki. Ang laki talaga guys. Ang laki ng ang nagpabago no. Hi guys. So I have a slime in here. Just read it. Yeah, it's nice. You want him? Here is the back. So next we have this. We need to use this. Ooh, is that a straw? How this work? So we need to open this and look. Two colors. This is a blue and this is white. It's a glittery. Look guys. Glitter. Oops. She bark. She bark. So guys, here's the color blue. And this is nice. First, we need to get this. Oh no. Here. And let's do, you know what is how to use this straw. It's like this. Yes, I have a, oopsie. I have a bubble. Bubbly bubble. Next is, so I get this from my thing. I need to use this. This is my memory putting. It's fit. We need some more. More. Oopsie. So guys, it's not fit now.